content creators waste hours in phone editors or even pay for expensive tools. Not anymore. I will show you how to clone and customize any top creator style in just a few steps. Now you can clone your favorite creator, your favorite creator's thumbnail. I just discovered a powerful tool that is going to help both the new content creators and a newbie stop making boring thumbnails. What if I told you that you could create a click-worthy professional thumbnail completely free in less than 5 minutes just by using an AI tool on your phone? Today, I'm going to show you the secret weapon. All these thumbnails you're seeing, even the one I'm using currently in this video, is made using this tool. Amazing or surprising? If you skip any step in this tutorial video, you're going to miss a whole lot. I'm going to introduce to you Banana AI. You've heard about it before, right? I'm going to show you how to go about it and how to get it with the right dimension, not just thumbnail, but with the right dimension that you will be using in your video. So you can go ahead and create as many thumbnails as you want, keep them and be using it in your videos. By so doing, you're going to make your video attractive. People will click watch and then you get watch hours. Follow me, let's get it done. Congratulations, you just created this thumbnail. So first, you're going to head over to your YouTube channel. That is the first place to go. And then the moment you enter there, type in the name of your favorite content creator on YouTube, if you have any. But our advice, look for the ones that are making waves in your niche, okay, in what you do, relevant things you're doing. Go ahead and search the name of the person and go through the person's video and see how the thumbnails are made. Okay, once you're able to figure out the right thumbnail you are going to use for your content, remember, this is not clickbait. You're going to use the right thumbnail for the right content, okay, that you're making. Then go ahead and copy that link. Click on that three dots, share the link, copy this link like the way you are seeing here. Where you have to pause, please pause. Then head over to your Chrome and type in YouTube thumbnail downloader, right? Go ahead and type in this address you're seeing here. Select the first one, YouTube thumbnail downloader, and you're going to see this. Okay, all of these options. Click on the first one that you see there. It's going to take you to an interface like this. All right, then that link you copied, right click and paste it. If you're using your PC, if you're using your phone, you see the same thing, and boom, you have the the thumbnail that you want to model. You go ahead and click that download SD thumbnail image. Okay, once you download it, to enter into your system or your phone. All right, then remember, we're going to use Banana AI, Nano Banana AI generator. Okay, then go ahead and select that Gemini link that you see there. Okay, once you open the Gemini AI like the way you're seeing, okay, you're going to do something. Now pay attention to this part, because this is the part that you'll be wondering, where should I even click, where should I go from here? Now look right where the arrow is pointing. Yes, click there. You're going to see another interface that will be dropped down. Then from there you see, look down, you're going to see try Gemini. Up an interface like this, and you're going to see options like an AI interface where you're going to start interaction. Remember, it's an AI. You want to start interaction, so you're going to ask Gemini to do something for you. So that thumbnail you downloaded into your system on your phone is there, right? So you want to give this Gemini an instruction, a prompt, to get this thing done for you within 5 seconds. In fact, is it 5 minutes? 5 minutes is too much. Okay, so yes, what I did, I just wrote a simple thing just for the purpose of this, so it will not be a long video. So I just have to write a short thing. Here is an image I want you to help me model. Okay, is a thumbnail. I know one thing about this AI, it knows that is a thumbnail you want to model, right? It knows it, so it's going to give you, of course, the thing that you need. right? So by replacing the current image with the one I will share with him, that kind of a thing. But you're going to take your time and write your prompt very well. I don't want to take your time. Click that plus button, go ahead and upload that thumbnail you downloaded into your system or your phone. Once you select it, open it up. Once you open it up, it's going to load, allow you to load and finish. Then you go ahead and hit enter, or you send it via using your phone. All right, send it and wait for AI to do the magic. Right, it's going to bring up a lot of write-ups. You read it through, and it's going to go give you the go ahead to upload the image. Okay, it's going to analyze the information that you've given, the expression, the clothing style, and everything. And it's going to give you the go ahead to upload the picture you want to replace this with, or if there are any other elements you want to include also in the thumbnail. Okay, so once you get that, if you are comfortable with the things that you know that is listing there, you go ahead and upload another picture you want to use. All right, so if you use portrait, it's going to give you a portrait size of YouTube thumbnail. But we're not looking for the portrait size because we want it to fit in to the YouTube you know recommended, what is it called, recommended dimension. So now you see what I want you to notice when this thing happen. See what I want you to notice. Now when you click on a particular image you want to use, only the image, remember the image is made in a portrait format. It's not landscape and it's not thumbnail size. So once you give this image, right, to AI, it's going to generate a thumbnail based on the image size. I don't know if you understand. I'm going to show you what I mean. Just follow me through there. I just want to show this. I want you to see this. So in case you feel like, oh, I have an image I want to use, don't use that image the way it is. Don't use it. Yes, I have a reason. So type in the use the image and let her hold banana, because already AI is giving you options. Do you want her to hold banana, the same way it is and all of that? Since the video is all about banana AI. So, and the one I want to model also was with banana. So let her hold banana. Do you understand? Once you give the AI this information, it's going to go ahead and generate this thumbnail for you. But in the size of the picture you're giving to AI. Also, like this particular creator, I love Ben did it. Yeah, I love Ben did it so much. I love what he does and I love his thumbnail. So there's a particular thumbnail I want to model from here, so you could also see for the purpose of this tutorial, right? So I'm going to head over to his channel, look for that thumbnail, and the same way you copy the link, you click on that three dots and go ahead and copy the link of this thumbnail you want to use for your video. All right, so I've seen the one I want to use, the algorithm arc. Yes, so let's see. Let's click on that one, three dots, boom, copy the link, share. Once you share, you copy the link from here. Oh, we get the parts now. Then you head over to the same place to download it into your phone and use it. Yeah, so once you put it there, you get it, then it's given. That's the image you're seeing. Go ahead and download it. Head over to your Gemini, and now we want to get the correct dimension for the YouTube thumbnail. So go ahead and do this. Okay, once you've uploaded the thumbnail you want to model, okay, and then give the instruction, I will ask you to place the image you want to replace with the current one. So go ahead and select an image in a landscape format, that is in a YouTube thumbnail as well. Like this one I'm using is for my thumbnail design. So go ahead and select that one. AI is going to switch this current image and replace it with the one that you already uploaded to give you the exact thing that you're looking for. So look at what has happened. Boom, you have the correct size, 16 by 9. That is the correct size. So go ahead and click that download it, and it is ready to be used in your video. That is what I'm using. If you check this video now, isn't that amazing and beautiful? It saves you time. The same thing applicable to the Ben did it. Okay, go ahead and and click on the one you downloaded. Select that image. You see, this one I'm doing compared with the previous one are not the same because of the dimension. The other one is in portrait, this other one is in landscape. Give the same prompt and you're going to have it generated for you. Did you enjoy this video, and did you found this video helpful and educational? Go ahead and like this video, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the video. To my returning viewers, you are amazing. Thank you so much for supporting this channel and for making me to keep doing more and more. So drop your comment, let me know the video you're going to edit, and let me know how it has been helpful to you, or if you're going to try it out, let me know. Kindly share this video so that people can know how to use AI and make their life easy. So are you seeing what is going on there? So the same thing, go pick the image in the landscape. Remember, landscape, not portrait this time around. Landscape. The word there is landscape. Go ahead and give the instruction. Here is the image. Replace it. The value. I even change the number of views. Change it from here, from this one to 2 views, and 93k views to 5k views. I mean, whatever they want to alter in the body of the thumbnail, so that it will look like it will be yours, not like the exact thumbnail, to avoid copyright claim or strike or something. So go ahead and put in an AI. This Gemini AI, Nano AI, is going to bring out the thumbnail just as instructed. If you are new to my channel, this is Build and Brand with Kuyik. I bring you great things, new AI video editors and image editor. Okay, so let's do this together. And if you're a new content creator, this is the right place for you to be. And until next, see you in my next video. Bye.